Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naveen. In this video we are going to analyze the market named NIIT Limited weekly time frame. Here I am going to draw the trend line as well as the zone area to identify the current condition of the market. Let's draw it first. Here there is a minor trend line too. Here I am looking for a confluence trade. I will draw the zone here too. Let's identify the direction of the market for placing our trades. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we got a trade for momentum. We can open a buy position. Previously I didn't get any confirmation for confluence, so I wait here for breakout to happen. Let's run it. Okay, we won our first trade here. Let's look for some other opportunities too. Guys, always keep practicing. If you guys are preparing for 1 or 2 hours, it doesn't work. It takes years and years of practice. For example, if you are going to swimming, if you practice for half an hour, 1 hour, it doesn't make any sense and it doesn't happen for you in real. You need to practice a lot, then only you will swim very good. Like that in trading you need to practice, and you have to have eagle eyes while capturing the entries and exits. Okay, here it is. Here I am looking for sell position. If it gets any rejection with confluence, yes, exactly. Here I get a rejection and it is a inverted hammer candle too. Let's draw the zone area for our targets. Okay, our setup was good to see. Okay, let's open a sell position. I always enter a trade when the momentum is good for me. I will not enter any trade blindly. Okay. In swing trading, you have to wait patiently. Guys, it will get into two ways: whether your stop loss will hit or your take profit will hit. Don't look the chart every day, every time. At the beginner, you should not watch the chart all the day. Then, if you are watching the chart for every hour or every day, then you will get affected by psychology. Once taken a trade in a right manner, just leave it your trade. I mean, you have to give your stop loss as well as your target. Okay. Here I opened the buy position because of confluence pin bar candle along with long bullish candle confirmation. Let's check it with the direction of path. Okay, let's run it. Okay, our target got achieved here too. Okay, let's draw a zone area. Here also it looks like a confluence area. If we get any rejection or any pattern, we can open here a sell position too. Okay, here I got a spinning top candle, but I need more confirmation for while entering trades. Yeah, this is a candle that getting rejected from the newly created resistance, and the volume also looks very good. Okay, I'll keep my stop loss above the rejection, and my target will be the next trend line area. Guys, you need to always, you have to wait guys, wait for the right opportunity and take the trades, and always look for minimal risk and a higher risk reward ratio setups. If you are taking 10% risk, you have to look for 1:5 or 1:8 or 2. If you are placing or taking trades with 1:1 risk reward ratio, I am damn sure you will not be successful in this type of financial markets. Always look for right opportunity and choose the right stock. Guys, here if you want to choose the right stock, you don't need any fundamentals or news to taking trades. You need only technical analysis with confluence and momentum. You can take your trades. Whether Nifty was falling, it was telling the only about the falling stocks in Nifty. There are totally 50 stocks. Whether it was falling, the weightage of the stocks only getting fallen. You don't need to worry about all the stocks. You need to check whether it is giving signal for any confluence or momentum, then place your trades. Here I am getting a rejection. The volume was high here. Okay, let's open here a sell position. Okay, I will keep my stop loss above the last week. Here this zone area is my target. Let's see how our last trade will get end. Okay, we won our last trade too. Let's adjust it. Okay. Guys, always keep practicing. If you are liking my strategy and my analysis, kindly give a thumbs up to this video. See you again. Thank you.